Welcome in everybody, I'm Vinny Bag of Chips, and today we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to do a new segment I'm going to call Vinny Does Stuff. Complicated title, I know. I thought about it for like 12 seconds. Anyway, we're going to work on a Holley 2-barrel carburetor today. It's going to be awesome. We just got to change the accelerator pump and take it apart and clean it and stuff. It'll be fun. It'll be a good time, so settle in, let's do this. Alright, let's get to working on this carburetor. We will need a screwdriver. Let me grab that. We'll use this little chunky boy here. What we're doing today is we need to change the accelerator pump and then just kind of give it an overall cleaning because, well, it's been sitting for 4 years. I put a rebuild kit in it 4 years ago and just needs to be refreshed, you know, refreshed and revived, as they'd say. There we go. Hope everyone's having a good day or night or whatever, whenever you're watching this quick little video I'm doing here. Get all these taken out and get a look at the float. I want to double check all that stuff and clean out all the ports. You gotta clean out your ports, especially in a carburetor. Little feathers there, that's always good. Good sign for the carb. Shouldn't be too bad though, at least I hope not. Let's have a look inside. I have to get a mallet for this, hold on. Let's take all these screws out. Then we might have to give it a little encouragement with our beautiful mallet of love and justice. There we go, matzah. All right, let's get this cleaned up. Got all this wiped off and cleaned up a little bit. Still need to do a little more, but it's not in too bad a shape. I'm gonna take everything out and kind of look at it, make sure it's in good working order. I'll show you guys when we take off the accelerator pump and anything along the way, but it looks pretty good in here. Not great, but you know, it's been sitting for 4 years with old gas, what do you expect? We'll make sure everything's all cleaned out, so yeah. Okay, well, turns out I don't have any carb cleaner, so that's a bit of a problem. We'll have to come back tomorrow, but it'll be like, you know, 2 seconds for you. So finally got what we need here. Come on, camera. There you go. All right, we finally got what we need here. Got some carb cleaner, so that's good. I'm gonna go into a more ventilated area, clean everything up here. I gotta take these jets out. Let's do that really quick. We'll take these jets out. It is the next day though. But yeah, we gotta get this baby cleaned up and buttoned up. We'll get the accelerator pump changed. Everything will be good. It's not too bad, it's still pretty clean. It didn't really get used after I rebuilt it last time. So it's still in relatively good shape. It just sat with nasty old fuel inside of it. So we'll clean it up, get everything all, see, nothing's really clogged yet. This concerned me a little bit, but you know, we'll clean it up and like I said, get all this stuff worked out. So yeah, we'll be right back after I use some carb cleaner where it's more ventilated because I don't want to do it in here. It's pretty much sealed up. Be right back. Okay, well, all that stuff's drying outside. Let's take the needle out. Yeah, it's not coming out. We're just gonna put this baby back where it was. Hope for the best. Okay, let's change the accelerator pump. Here is our part, our accelerator pump part. Come on, camera, there you go. Our accelerator pump. I'm just gonna change that out right there. Okay, take these screws out. All right, moment of truth here. I know there's a spring in here. There we go. Let me go clean this out and then we'll put all this back together. Well, we get all of our parts and pieces back over here. First is first, let's do the accelerator pump. Okay, spring goes in here, like so. This goes in here. This goes in here like that. Then you take this, get two started like this. Get a little finagle in to get it in place. There we go. Now you can let go. Let's put the last two screws in it. There we go. Boom, bam. The accelerator pump has been changed. All right, let's put the jets back in. This thing needs to be ultrasonically cleaned. I need an ultrasonic cleaner. Someday I'll get an ultrasonic cleaner, but right now, you know, when you're broke like I am, you work with what you got. All right, now let's put the bowl back on, shall we? Yeah, float is still good. We'll put this back on here. Oh, we gotta get this lever under here. Now we're in business. Now, look at that. Let's put the screws on it. Oh yeah, we're well on our way. All right. Oh yeah, that pushes on the old accelerator pump. Nice. I think she's ready to go back onto the vehicle we took it off and see how she runs. This thing is old, man. I hope you've enjoyed watching me work on this. On to future Vinny. All right, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and all that usual nonsense, and stick around. We got more Vinny does stuff, or whatever I called it, coming up. But yeah, hope to see you on the next one. Until then, bye.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play and